Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 per sale with the Whacka affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs in the world completely for free. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Whacka affiliate program, and I'll also be giving you some free strategies at the end of this video on how you can promote this affiliate program. And if you haven't heard of Whacka, they are a no-code app builder. You basically say what you want and it will go ahead and create the app for you. And if you want, you can publish it on iOS and Android. And it can build you login, registration, it can store data, you can do notifications and much more. And they'll also take care of the hosting for you, and there's analytics of your app. And you can also invite team members to work in the back end with you. They also have some example apps on their website, so you can get a good idea of what Whacka can build without any coding. And people are building booking apps, AI-powered apps, shops, communities, teaching and courses, games, and much more. They also have an AI assistant that can connect directly to Telegram as well as Discord. It can build you things, you can set reminders and do much more with their AI assistant. And they have different pricing plans, including a free plan, so you can test it out and see how it works. And they have an affiliate program that pays you $20 per sale. All you need to do to join the Whacka affiliate program is click the link down below. It will take you to this page where it has all this information about the affiliate program. And it's on the Dub Affiliate Network. If you're not signed up to the Dub Affiliate Network yet, I highly recommend you do so. They are a new and very popular affiliate network. And applying to the affiliate program is super easy. Just put in your name, email, website, or your social media handle and tell them how you plan to promote Whacka. And then once you get approved to the affiliate program and you're in the dashboard, you can start sharing your affiliate link. If you want some strategies on how you can promote the Whacka affiliate program, you can go to affiliate.watch and go to the Whacka landing page. And you can ask ChatGPT, Claude, and many other AI platforms. And we can see right here, ChatGPT has given a bunch of different strategies on how we can promote the Whacka affiliate program. If you want to find more amazing affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.